A sewage backup is not only damaging to your home, it can be dangerous to your health. Sewage backup lets off airborne contaminants along with physical contaminants. Inhaling the vapors emitted by raw sewage can lead to an intestinal infection known as the stomach flu. The symptoms are marked by watery diarrhea, abdominal cramps, nausea or vomiting, and sometimes fever. Sewer backup should always be considered an emergency situation, as the water most likely contains viruses, bacteria, and organisms capable of causing serious illnesses. Sewage backup can be caused by clogged sewer pipes, tree roots, broken or collapsed sewer lines, sewer main blockage, and even heavy rainfall. Hasi Property Restoration offers sewage cleanup and water restoration services for both commercial and residential properties. We have the expertise to handle this type of dirty, smelly, and often hazardous job. Our technicians are trained to quickly remove sewer water, sewage, and mud from both under and inside your property using state-of-the-art equipment. Call us today at 404-966-9076. Our friendly staff will help you quickly resolve your sewage backup problem.